Hey everybody, well, I got another little maintenance thing I got to do here, so I figured I'd take you along for the ride. No pun intended. Winter's done a number on my windshield wipers, so yeah, that's not too good. So time to replace them. You're supposed to replace them every, I forget what they, obviously depends on how often you use them, but this is a pretty easy thing, so I'll just show you real quick how this goes. I've got the new ones right here. Pretty easy to take this off. Basically, at least on this model car, you just pop this up and you can actually just shove it down. And it just pops off. So, new one, same thing. It's got a little tab here, pop up out of the way. And then this hook sits right in there. Just bring that down like that. Pull it up until it seats. There we go. And this actually pops down so that way it won't slide off. Nothing to do. Take off the protective cover. Done. So this one's not that old, and but it has been streaking a little bit. So I'm gonna try just putting some. I'm just gonna try it down a little bit and see if that helps. If it still streaks, then I'll replace it. All right, well that's it. Simple, literally just took a couple of minutes to do, but very important to maintain your windshield wiper blades so that way you can see clearly in inclement weather. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm sending out another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'm much appreciated, and till the next video. See you later.